So, gumawa ko ng video regarding sa task reward ni Popo Live kahapon. Pero may pagbabago as of today. Start siya kanina 12 a.m. At ito yon yung solo live task reward na kung saan affected yung mga ordinary user or ordinary task reward na kung saan hati ang kanilang 1K ordinary task reward. Yung 500 ay kailangan nilang mag-solo live and another 500 naman po ay kailangan nilang makakuha ng 500 points. And your PK friend task is offline na as of today. And then yung 1 hour party live task po natin na dapat nakaupo kayo sa crown seat ay may target na po siya na 50 points pataas. Kung hindi po kayo naka 50 points, hindi nyo po makiklaim ito. So meaning po noon, kailangan po makakuha kayo ng points na as in 50 pataas or hanggang 500 para makuha nyo po yung solo live ninyo at yung party live task ninyo na 1 hour. Of course, this is for only ordinary task reward. So, syempre, hindi naman affected yung mga level I to S. Okay? So, generally, 1K pa rin naman po yung ating ordinary task reward. Nahati lamang po siya sa 500 and 500 again, 500 solo live, and of course, yung another one na kailangan makakuha kayo ng 500 points. So, paalala ko lang din po, yung 2 hours sa party live task po natin ay kailangan may makuha po kayo na worth 150k worth of gifts in 7 recent days. Hindi po porket kayo ay new user task po dito or kaya bagong host na may 10k per hour ay makiklaim nyo na po ito. Kailangan po, same as ordinary user, kailangan po makakuha kayo ng gift worth of 150k for you to get the 2 hours crown seat task reward. So, yan po ang bagong update natin sa ating tasking dito kay Popo Live and that's permanent as of August 26, 2025. So, if you have any questions regarding on Popo Live, you can visit my live. My user ID is 79170. I am Lily Cruz and I'm doing customer service live house every 9 p.m. So, ang day off ko is Sunday and Monday. So, I'm doing live every Tuesday hanggang Saturday. So, kapag day off ko naman po, meron naman pong ibang humahalili like Miss May or Miss G na sila naman po ang magko-customer service live house when ako po ay naka-day off.